Mexico was hit by a 6.5 magnitude earthquake, but what triggered it? The ground beneath Mexico is constantly moving, even when everything seems calm. A slow, silent push underground can release more energy than thousands of bombs. Let's break down why this earthquake happened and why it isn't random. Most people don't realize that the Earth's surface isn't one solid piece. The Earth's surface isn't one solid piece. It's broken into giant slabs called tectonic plates, which are always in motion. These plates move at a speed of about fingernail growth, but can have a huge impact over time. Mexico sits in one of the most dangerous places on Earth, tectonically speaking. Why? Mexico sits in a high-risk zone where two massive plates collide. Right off Mexico's Pacific coast is the Cocos Plate, and to the north is the North American Plate. The Cocos Plate, denser and heavier, slides underneath the North American Plate off Mexico's Pacific coast. This process is called subduction. Imagine pushing a big rock under a heavy table. At first, nothing seems to happen, but pressure builds. That's what's happening deep underground. As the Cocos Plate moves beneath Mexico, the plates lock together. Friction keeps them stuck, and pressure builds up for years, even decades. Everything above ground seems peaceful, but underground, energy is being stored. Eventually, the plates snap, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of shock waves that travel through the Earth, causing violent shaking at the surface. That sudden release is the earthquake. It's not an explosion, it's the Earth literally letting go. Mexico is vulnerable for several reasons. Many earthquakes happen shallow, closer to the surface, making the shaking stronger. Soft soil in certain areas amplifies the shaking even more. When an earthquake happens in Mexico, even a moderate one can feel much more intense than elsewhere. Earthquakes aren't always caused by one single slip. Smaller earthquakes release pressure in one spot, pushing stress onto another part of the fault, can trigger a bigger earthquake later. It's like a domino effect underground, where one slip can make another inevitable. After yesterday's quake, scientists are closely monitoring the region for aftershocks, which could happen for days, weeks, or even months. The craziest part, scientists can't predict the exact moment an earthquake will happen. They can identify high-risk zones, measure plate movement, and estimate pressure, but they can't tell us this exact second the Earth will shake. Mexico has early warning systems and seismic sensors, crucial for giving people seconds or even minutes to take cover. Those seconds can save lives. So how was yesterday's earthquake triggered? It wasn't by chance, and it wasn't by human activity. It was slow, invisible plate movement over many years, pressure building silently until finally one sudden release of energy. Eventually, the plates snap. The plates are still moving right now. The question is if another earthquake will happen, it's when.